Hey everyone, pun intended. We're going to go out shortly and we're going to cut the hay first things in the morning and we'll turn it straight afterwards. It'll be a quick process, so we'll just stroll around the corner. We put the disc cutter on last night, got a bit of maintenance done on it, greased it up, etc. We'll cruise around the side, lift her up, take her into the paddock, and then we'll just start cutting. Anyway, without further ado, let's get out there, get the tractor in the field and start cutting hay. Here's the tractor with the disc cutter attached, and there's some quick drone footage flying up the hill and up to the top, which is the paddock we're going to cut. So this is the actual grass before we cut it, and then there'll be further drone footage later on of us turning it. There's a reason we cut our hay first thing in the morning. During the day, the grass will store energy to make it get through the night-time period. And if you cut your hay in the afternoon or the evening, then that stored energy is within your hay. Now, this hay that we're doing, that I'm cutting now, is specifically for horses. We don't have any clover in there, we spray it out. It's weed-free and there's no rye in there. If a horse is already laminated or it's in the real basic stages of getting laminitis, then by feeding it rich hay can make the condition worse, from what I've read. So that's the reason why we're doing what we do. We cut first thing in the morning. So here's some footage with the drone we took of the field. We were about half done, just cutting. I just ran over, got the drone up in the air and then ran back. We got some more drone footage a bit later. Turning the hay at the moment. It was cut early this morning. It's now lunchtime. It's alright, I'm just keeping an eye on the drone, make sure it hasn't crashed or something. And that's precisely why we bought it, really, to enable us to do these so that we can film ourselves whilst we're doing these type of events. We get around, get it all sort of turned, get the sun at it. And here we go, here's that drone footage I was talking about. So this is actually set to active track on the DJI Air 2S, and you just draw a square around your target, i.e. the tractor, and then it just follows you. It's really good. So this is me just turning the hay, drive around, get it all spread out like I said before, get some air around it, fluff it up if you like, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you like to join in our journey, please subscribe. If you want to be updated when you put new videos up of our journey, then click the bell. If there's any products that are featured, then I'll put affiliate links in the description. But thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. Have a great day. Ciao for now.